कहीं जा रहे हैं और अभी भी बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे. इट्स इनसेन दिस टाइम बट
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm gonna take you through our little summer vacation trip to Goa, and it was even more exciting because me and Liansh were going to surprise Vineet all alone. So yeah, stay tuned.
Hi guys, so we have now landed in Goa and we are starving. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है हमें and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Unlike Pune's weather, it's very hot and humid here. But we will go through it. Okay, so we ate and now Liansh is drawing and waiting for his dad eagerly. अभी भी 1 घंटे है उसको यहाँ पहुँचने में. So until then पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी. Maybe I'll read because अभी नया I've started loving to read. ये क्या हो गया? उसकी कॉपी की सारी पेजेस निकल गई हैं. ओह, कोई बात नहीं. We'll fix it. Liansh, high five. So in this trip Liansh has been such a support for me because वो पूरा टाइम मेरे साथ और कई जगह पे उसने तंग भी किया. बट दिस एयरपोर्ट खाली है अभी. बस मैं और Liansh हैं यहाँ पे, कोई नहीं है. वहाँ पे कुछ लोग बैठे हुए हैं हमारी तरह जो किसी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं.
And woohoo, finally he's here. Liansh was so excited to see him and also me. And like we already knew, Goa welcomed us with a beautiful weather. It was raining and it was so beautiful. Guys, a lot of us think that Goa shouldn't be done in the month of monsoon, but let me tell you, Goa was so much more fun and exciting because of the rain. So I would highly insist at least visit Goa once in the monsoon and you'll see another side of Goa for sure. And iske baad we reached our hotel. I changed into something comfortable and I was feeling so relaxed.
Back to work, making coffee for me. How's it? Good. So this is the coffee Vineet Mara made for me. Let's taste it.
Okay, so this was the beautiful property we stayed in. It's located in the hearts of Candolim and I loved it. This place was really good and the best part was everything from this hotel was too near. That made our trip even more easier. I'm gonna mention about it in my description box. And then we went in for some street hopping to get some food, also to explore nearby places. And then we spotted this cute cafe and then we sat here for some food. उसके बाद में I enjoyed the best this was peach iced tea and it was so good. And then we woke up to the sound of rain. I love rains only if it doesn't becomes an obstacle on my plans for the day. But yes, it was lovely.
It's not raining anymore and I hope it doesn't rain throughout the day. So beautiful. Just see. Hi guys, so it's our first day in Goa and we are all set for the day. We just had our breakfast and came back to the room. Now let's see because यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश भी हो रही है. But अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकी है बारिश. So let's see what we can plan. So this is what happens when you plan a trip to Goa in monsoon, but still the adventure should not stop. All ready for the day wearing this raincoat, but still excited because we are not going to let the day ruin. So yes. Are you ready for the day? आर बैक. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, बट स्टिल इट वॉज सो मच फन. मतलब ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं हुआ दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन वी हैड टू कैंसिल सम ऑफ आवर प्लान या ऐसा कुछ भी. इट वॉज रियली फन. रेनकोट के साथ भी बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. हाउ वाज आवर एक्सपीरियंस विनीत? हाउ वाज आवर एक्सपीरियंस? लियांश, हाउ वाज आवर एक्सपीरियंस? मज़ा आया ना अभी बहुत स्कूटी में? बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. एंड नाउ वी आर बैक इन द ओके गाइस, इट्स इवनिंग और अभी भी हम लोग कहीं जा रहे हैं और अभी भी बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे. इट्स इनसेन दिस टाइम, बट ठीक है, चलता है. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस माई यूनिफॉर्म फॉर दिस ट्रिप.
Date tiempo para respirar, date aire para estar en vos.
अब हो रही है हमारी वापस जाने की तैयारी.
Sos la pluma que
This was our day 2 in Goa, and like आप देख सकते हो, लियांश was enjoying his breakfast, also enjoying the view. उसके बाद में I was getting ready for the day. आज का plan था to explore some cute cafes for a lunch. This was my makeup and I was loving it. कुछ अलग सा ही glow होता है when we are on a trip. And yeah, and this was थलासा. थलासा में मैंने कुछ ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग की थी जो कि मैं नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर पाई उस पर्टिकुलर शॉप से जो आपने अभी अभी देखा. एंड देन दिस वाज द व्यू नियर आवर कैफ़े. बहुत मज़ेदार था, ये सीनिक था. और फिर बीच हो तो बात ही क्या है, बिकॉज वी लव बीचेस. लियांश, मी एंड विनीत, वी आर अ बिग फ़ैन ऑफ बीचेस. अनलाइक अदर हिल स्टेशंस, हमें ज़्यादा बीचेस में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. और यहाँ का तो कुछ अलग सा ही व्यू था, एंड रेन से तो और ज़्यादा मज़ेदार हो गया था. उसके बाद में वी वर एन्जॉइंग आवर लंच इन दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड पाम एंड सैंड्स. दिस वॉज अगेन इन कैंडलिम.
que se venga, yo que se venga ya y que sea más de vos.
Okay guys, so it's our last day in Goa. We are about to check out now and this is my outfit for the day. I actually don't want to go, but we'll have to go. Okay, so it's finally time to head back home. We are at the airport and going back. It's not easy every time. I get really sad, but we'll have to go. And it was a fabulous time and fabulous trip. I'm gonna miss this so much. Leo, hi. Even he doesn't wants to leave, but kya kare? Trips are meant to be over so that you can prepare and work hard for your next trip.